change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay.
Okay, good morning guys. Welcome to another fabulous, glorious, sunshiny day here in Orlando, Florida. Boo's happy. She just found out we got the sunroof in the car.
The sun's right in my eyes. I look so tanned on camera.
Come out, obviously I've put the seat coolers. Oh mate, have you ever had a seat that cools you down?
Dad, you're
This is
lucky.
brilliant.
In the front, you guys get all this fancy stuff like seat heating, seat cooling,
I don't know what you
sunroof.
might. I don't know what you've got. You might have it in
Air conditioning.
Yeah, you might have it.
Ella!
So we are just getting ready to go out. Obviously, Louise has just gone and got my glasses for me, my sunglasses, because I can't go anywhere without them.
He's not allowed to drive without them, are you?
No. So yeah, this is all good. Sports mode. Ooh. I'm just flicking through buttons as you do. So yeah, I'm gonna head off. So I'm gonna start driving. We know where
Morning,
we're going.
guys. We're
Got
off.
the old sat nav.
Yeah, we're off to Posner Park. Feels weird because we normally do parks when we come over here, and we've literally got nothing, have we?
No, we've got nothing to do.
We've got nothing, no plans other than literally at the cruise and Discovery Cove. So we're we're gonna have a look around the community because apparently there's a pool and stuff.
This car's literally got everything.
But this car is lovely, you know. When we come back,
I'll tell you
So-
what, if we could get these and I had the money, I would buy one of these.
at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. It's a Ford Expedition Max, isn't it?
It is.
So it's an 8-seater. So it's a gated community.
So what difference does that make?
So it's a gated community.
What's your bottle, babe?
Oh yeah.
Just.
I was looking for. So nice, secure, gated community. And we've got a Miller's over there and is it a Chili's?
Yeah.
Yep. And we are off. So we will catch up with you in a little while, guys. Once
I can't
we
believe
get to
this one's
Posner
got a
Park.
10-speed gearbox.
10-speed gearbox.
Wow.
So
I've only got 6 on my van.
Lee's happy, he's in his element. Okay everyone, so we are in McDonald's having breakfast. We've come accidentally on purpose, no not accidentally, sorry, not on purpose. Accidentally we've ended up coming to the one in Haines City, which we didn't actually intend to. We actually intended to go to Four Corners, but I think we were a little bit far down the 27, so we ended up coming to like the Haines City one that we very first went to in 2022. So we're going to get some breakfast. It come to $45 and $45.04. Kids have already had breakfast in the villa, but I offered to buy them the first American breakfast. But we're just gonna, I'll show you the receipt of what we got. The prices are not cheap in McDonald's in America compared to sort of, but the food's good. But if you converted $45, it would be about it would probably be about £35 in our money, £40 in our money, so it's probably about the same. So this is the receipt.
Look at the engine on it.
Okay. So this is how much it would be in our money.
Which is probably about right.
Which is probably about right, isn't it? So yeah, that's pretty much what we got. And it comes to £44.04. Lee's happy, he's having steak for breakfast, aren't you?
I am indeed.
Looking forward to that. Steak and onions for breakfast. Weird, man. So we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree, I think.
Dollar Tree is my favourite store.
Across the road at Southern Dunes. And I think we're gonna go to Walmart over here. But we're not gonna get ice cream and stuff because obviously we're too far away. We'll probably maybe go to Target and get that.
Okay.
And then because we're closer to the villa. Kaden wants to get some PB&J
And chocolate milk.
and chocolate milk. So we're going to get things like water, drink and stuff, aren't we, in Walmart? But then we'll get ice cream and that in one closer because it will just melt, won't it? So we'll catch up with you in a bit. Breakfast done and thoroughly enjoyed. And now we're going over to the Dollar Tree and Walmart at Southern Dunes, the very first place we stayed at in America. It was the first place, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So we didn't realise after staying here and then coming back in December, we didn't actually realise how far down the 27 we was, did we? No. I think we were like 12 miles closer to the Disney parks, and that's a hell of a lot in kind of American roads. So yeah, we like it up here. It's quite nice. There's a lot of restaurants up here. That's another one I'm gonna try while we're over here. Dairy Queen. It's like ice cream and stuff. So we're gonna go over there. The lights take forever in America, but Lee likes it because he can chuck his UVs, don't you?
Dad, what is that?
What?
That
Coke.
don't look like Coke.
Yeah, it's because of the ice has melted it. You like chucking your UVs, don't you?
Yeah.
On their phone. Oh, too late. Lights have changed. Oh, God. Dollar Tree done. We're just going into Walmart. We went into the thrift store. Oh, God. We went into the thrift store because Lee has been dying to get in there since he first...
couldn't take the camera in, actually.
No, I couldn't film anything because of the music. Yeah, he's been dying to get in there since he spotted it in 2022, and I've said to him, no, I said we're not going in there.
It's just one of them. It's just one of the things. I just want to see how much they differ from second-hand shops in.
They definitely differ from second-hand shops in the UK, don't they?
That's all I wanted to see.
Yeah, they had like water dispensers in there and paper shredders, and I mean like office paper shredders. Unfortunately, we couldn't film in there because of the music. Yeah, I think so. No, you can go back a bit more, babe.
Okay.
You can go back a bit more. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they do like they had like proper pedicure chairs that you get in like salons and stuff, didn't they?
Yeah.
They had all sorts in there. It's something you would never dream of finding in a UK second-hand shop, would you? So we're just going to Walmart at Hain City. We'll try and film a little bit in there if we can. Not sure.
That's sick.
Oh God, Lee's found something on the car.
So if you got little legs,
Yeah.
they got a button down here, right? Watch the pedals.
Hold on.
Can you see the pedals? Yeah.
They moved the pedals.
It brings the pedals up to you or further away.
That'd be good for me then, wouldn't
Yeah. Little midgets. Yeah. That's cool.
it? Be good for me then, wouldn't it, babe?
It would, yeah.
So these are the temperatures we're looking at all week. Looking like it's going to be hot, hot, hot. So we will try and film as much as we can in Walmart if we can film at all, because we're not sure about music and stuff. And we have to be more careful now, don't we, on our channel? Just because YouTube are funny with things like that.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you in a bit. Okay everyone, so we are back at the villa. We haven't done a lot today, but we never do on the first day. So we're back at the villa, we're just gonna chill now. I'm gonna FaceTime my girls, because it's night time there, obviously. And I said I would, and Beth's been at work, so I haven't been able to call her, even though she wanted me to FaceTime this morning, but it was only 6:30 here, and I said, nope, I'm like literally still in bed. So, gonna do that. I think we're gonna go to Miller's or Chili's for dinner. I'm gonna look at the menu, see what they do. But it's literally just across the road. So literally a 1-2 minute walk. So I think we're gonna go there for dinner tonight. And we're not gonna drive, we're just gonna walk. And yeah, we're just gonna have a chill. So we'll catch up with you in a little while. Okay, so it's a little bit later on in the afternoon, excuse me. we are just walking over to Chili's or Miller's to have some dinner.
Oh my god! Shoelaces up.
The lizards keep running across the path and making you jump. So we're going to walk over there. We're not sure which one we're going to go to. Comment below your favourite one if you've been there, because we're not sure. We've never been to either of them. So we're going to try and look at the menus on both, because we have very, very fussy children and a very fussy mum as well. Lee's not as fussy. I'm not as fussy as the kids, but it's literally across the road. So we're going to walk round and then we'll show you what we get. If we can film, we will. If not, we'll just film the food and then put some music with it. Okay everyone, so we are back at the villa now. That was quite a scary walk back in the dark.
Even more so when you're on your own.
We all left Lee. He had his walking stick in his hand, ready to like conk some alligator on the head if it come out of the water, because it's dark, you can't see nothing. So me and Katie are stuck to the ground. Yeah, we did see it on the way over there. It actually dived into the water. So I was like, there's definitely one there. So like, and because it's dark, all you can hear is all these cricket noises and everything. And I'm like, me and Katie are walking on the grass.
How much noise they make when they go at speed?
They don't make a lot of noise.
You hear it on the grass, I'm sure.
Nope.
You hear them coming.
They creep. No, they creep.
Oh, that's alright. I've thrown a few creeps in my time.
So yeah, I think they creep across the grass. So yeah, because it was dark, the grass is obviously dark, and obviously the water's dark.
I saw eyes in the water.
You know, so I don't think alligators will deliberately go for humans, but I wasn't taking the chance.
If he's just seen where I come from, he's going to think, oh, 2 meals for the price of one here.
So we went to Chili's in the end. The food was really nice. I can't actually knock the food. It was really nice.
Beautiful food.
Service was impeccable. The waiter, she was waitress, she was lovely, but too much. I'll get Lee to insert the video of his what was it called? What did you have? Sizzler.
I had who's sister? What?
Sizzler. Sizzler.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, like fajitas.
Yeah, like fajitas. It was like he had chicken, shrimp, and steak. Was it?
I thought you said I had something on the sister. It's like, what?
Sizzlers. For God's sake. So yeah, he had chicken, steak, and shrimp fajitas. Yeah, it was quite a bit, wasn't it? But he didn't eat the tortillas. He didn't eat a lot of it, to be fair. It was $25. You ate all the meat, didn't you, in the end? I said to him, as long as you can eat the meat, it's fine. So I didn't like the fries. They were a bit too spicy for me. But the chicken Christmas, what are they called? Chicken crispers were nice.
What?
The chicken crispers, was that what they were called?
Yeah.
They were nice. Not something I'd have again.
I think I'd like to try their ribs.
But yeah, we probably will go back in the future. But the problem we've got is Kadia doesn't like going to restaurants. She doesn't like sit down meals. It's too long for her, too boring for her. She didn't eat any of her dinner, but now she's sitting there, standing there, making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Which I don't get, because all the way through her growing up, we've always been out to
Yeah.
places like that. So it's not like it's something new. She's grown up around
Yeah.
going out.
Yeah, she's grown up around it. So we're going to end the video here because we've had a long day and I think we're all tired. Not sure what we're doing tomorrow. May go down to Celebration, may do that trip to Bucky's. I'm not sure yet, but we are definitely going to be doing a Bucky's trip. So don't forget to
Like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
stay safe, stay happy.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.